Stop. Fine, I'm getting B2.
It is stuck.
No, ready? Ready? Look.
Oh, you got nothing on me.
Look.
What was
Look
that?
at the camera right here.
It's not
I'm trying to get that one by. Trying to get that by hitting this yellow one right here. By getting B2 up here, which is sun chips. Right over here.
That's not gonna work. You're
Oh,
gonna
you're gonna
get
get
3
3
on
in
it.
one.
Yeah, dude, this is awesome.
It's gonna work. Stop it.
This is awesome. Put it on YouTube. How to get Funyuns down when it's like that. Funyuns are very important to the world. So don't be
Put your
confused.
quarters in.
If this doesn't work, you give me bar.
Cause it's awesome.
Give me lemon.
Someone, who got sauce on my freaking shoe?
That girl makes.
Oh my god.
No, hit it.
My shoes are awesome.
It's not working, but why not? I want sun chips.
What? Get not more Funyuns. How much do you have?
Stop.
Please
make another selection.
Wait,
Nothing in this row works.
Stop.
Who said he had to enter 25?
Do it again. Watch out.
Let's see if your hand can make it up there.
No, it won't.
No, stop it.
It just said try something else.
I'm calling stupid. I'm calling stupid.
How'd that one get out?
Oh, it's cushion.
Oh, see it
guys, stop. Stop. Yeah, move. This is videotaping. Videotapers have to come and move.
Guys, move away. I'm going to do something. Watch out.
No, someone put their hand in. Someone put their hand in.
Let me see.
Try to get it.
Yeah, dollies work. How do you think I got these money in?
Go for A2. A number 2.
No, I'm getting what I want. No, C2. It won't work.
Get Funyuns.
Get macho. It won't work. The vending machine's broken till this comes down. Okay, then leave. People won't move.
Right?
Guys, that's making it too much. That's why it's not gonna work. Watch out.
Get a basketball player to lead it.
Oh, to lean it.
Yeah, they're pretty strong.
Pretty?
Stop it.
Kick it one time.
Someone give me a quarter. Give me a quarter.
You got two.
I'm going in. No, I can't.
Let me try.
Ow. No, you can't.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
I was so close. My hand was in the back.
Emily, how much money do you have?
Where'd you get that?
Come on.
How much money did you?
That was really sweet. It cost $1.
Alright, we need a baseball bat.
Someone
No, I did it. Don't get it. It won't work.
lean it over.
That means move.
That means stop telling us what to do.